Hey y'all, what's up? Excuse the appearance, we have been DIYing over here, but today I made a super awesome bracelet. They make one on Amazon that retails for like 40 something dollars, and I made this for under 10, and I have plenty of stuff left over that I could probably make 5 or 6 more if I wanted to. So I wanted to show it to you guys. It is this little guy right here. Now, I know what you're thinking, like, what do I need a bracelet with eyeshadows on it for? But if you are like me and you like to do some little makeup jobs on the side, if you're a freelance makeup artist, or even if you're a professional working makeup artist, this is going to come in really handy for you. And even in your own personal life, like, it can come in handy for you as well. So like, I normally keep my eyeshadows in a Z palette like this right here, and that's totally fine. It's very nice for keeping everything organized, but sometimes you don't need all of those eyeshadows. Like, sometimes you might need just 2 or 3 colors, and you don't want to have to carry that whole palette around, right? So this bracelet is going to make it hands-free. Like, you don't have to hold your eyeshadow. So like, if you have a client and maybe they've got looser skin, or maybe, you know, I don't know, like, you just need to hold their skin in place or whatever, you will be able to do that because your eyeshadows are going to be sitting pretty on your wrist. And actually, like, it looks cute. Like, it's actually kind of cute. Those shades right there look straight up like a bracelet. This is just one idea of what you could do. You could definitely add more on there. Like, these are some pretty big pan eyeshadows. These are unique eyeshadows, and they have pretty decent sized pans. So like, smaller ones, they're gonna fit on there. You could probably fit, depending on the size of your wrist, you could probably fit like 8 to 10 colors. These I feel like I could probably fit maybe 6, 7 colors on there, but it's very easy. I'm going to scoot in now so that I can show you guys like what it's all about, and then we'll get into the DIY. Alright, so here is the bracelet up close. This is made out of the Dollar Tree wire, which is this stuff right here. You buy this for $1. There's different colors that come in it. There's red, there's a black, and a silver. You're just going to take your wire and measure about how big you think your wrist is. So I just took my wire and kind of wrapped it around my wrist one time, and however long it was, I just kept doubling it over, and you'll see that in the video. I'll show you here too though. But like, however long that your wrist is, so I'll just go ahead and measure my wrist again. And if it's not perfectly straight, don't worry about it. It does not have to be perfect. So I'm going to take this and put my wrist right through here, and I feel like I want it to be kind of tight so it doesn't move around. So right about here, so mine needs to be about this long. So I'm going to take this end, which is the long end, and I'm going to just bend it over and bring it to this side, and then just kind of flatten it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. And then you're going to bring it from this side and flatten it out again, and just keep doing that until you get it to be the thickness that you want it to be. So I feel like 4 makes it pretty sturdy. I think I went 5 or 6 times on this one, but 4 times would be pretty sturdy. I just wanted a good base for the magnets to sit on. I'm going to take the wire down here, and you're just going to kind of wrap it around itself just to make sure that it stays nice and secure. Yeah, so this is going to be your bracelet. And then I just took this container of Mod Podge because it was round, and I just took my wire and bent it around like that. And that's going to give you like your wrist shape, kind of. And then I just bent it even more like that so that it actually stays on. So then once you've done that, you're just going to take your magnets and you're going to lay them down, and I've got them glued on here. Now I will say that in the video I didn't take them off and glue them. You don't have to glue them at all if you don't feel the need to, but it's kind of going to help it stay a little bit more sturdy. So what I did was I took the magnets back off and I added some glue on the back of the magnet, stuck it to the bracelet, and then went on the underside and added some glue there too, so I know it's really, really secure. And if you want it to be even more secure, you could use E6000 alongside of your hot glue gun. I feel like the hot glue should hold it just fine. But yeah, that right there that's it. You're just going to put it onto your wrist and add your eyeshadows on there. To bump it up a notch, you could even add fabric on it, and that would be cute. And there you go. there's your cute little bracelet that's going to help make your life so much easier. And then we'll just take off, we'll just take off the glasses and it's good to go. And ignore the eyeshadow application right now. I'm like ready for bed. So yeah, this is bad. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's a really cool concept, but it's kind of pricey on Amazon, and I thought maybe we could DIY that. So we did. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you would like to see next because I love hearing your guys' suggestions. And yeah, that's all. I will see you all next time. Bye!